Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Tiny Treasures Mini is going to give Peppa and her family pool time in our big bathtub. Let's start the water and pump in some orange scented organic bubble bath. When Peppa and her family are done, it's Poppy's turn for bath time. In goes George, Peppa, Mummy Pig, and very muddy Daddy Pig. Oh dear, Mummy Pig is caught under the flowing water. Oh, here goes Peppa. She got sucked in too. And now Mummy Pig joined her. The bathwater is starting to get very bubbly and soapy. It's getting our toys nice and clean. Tiny Treasures Mini is using one of our very popular bath toys for the Peppa Pig family. It's a blue speedboat. There's just enough seats for everyone in the family. Daddy Pig is too big to drive, so he must go in the passenger seat. Mummy will be the driver because she has her boat license. And little George in the front, Peppa in the back. And this is a reminder, Tiny fans, always wear your life jacket when riding a boat, canoe, and even a paddleboard. Safety first. We are all done with our boat ride, but where's Daddy Pig? Silly Daddy Pig. He got a chocolate chip banana muffin out of the fridge and is having a little snack. Now the bathwater is ready for Puppy. I need to remove his collar so that it doesn't get wet and wrecked. And that way we can wash his neck too. Puppy loves warm baths. I always make sure it's not too hot. We're going to use our Olaf cup to get Puppy's fur wet. Now we add some shampoo made especially for dogs. Does that feel a little cold, Puppy? This is cherry blossom. It smells very good. And you can't use human shampoo on dogs. It must be pet shampoo. They have different hair than you and I. We massage the soap into Puppy's fur. Be careful not to get any into Puppy's eye. We've rinsed him off, and now it's time to dry him off. He looks so cute wrapped up in a towel. Now Puppy is all clean. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Daniel Tiger is hanging out with his friend Peppa Pig and they are playing miniature golf, also known as mini golf. And they have their little yellow balls and their golf clubs. And here's the scorecard. And here is my beautiful golden golf ball. They can come in all different colors. And I also found the pink Hello Kitty golf ball at a market. All right, Daniel's going to let Peppa go first. She has to get it through the 3 flags. Oh dear! Can I have another shot, Daniel? Sure, Peppa, go ahead. Oh dear, it keeps bouncing off the flags. Oh, finally. Okay, your turn, Daniel. Peppa, why don't you take another shot since your ball's right in the middle? Okay, sure, thanks, Daniel. Oh, good shot. All right, your turn. Uh-oh, mine bounced back too. Oh, look, thank you, Daniel. Your ball hit mine close to the hole. Hopefully I can get it in from here. Yay! How many putts did it take for Peppa to get her ball in the hole? All right, it's Daniel's turn to shoot it into the hole. Last time we played glow mini golf, where our shoes love to play mini our golf balls with the all glowed in the dark. All right, it's time for the next hole. Meow, meow. Oh, there's a kitty on the green. Did you see the kitty earlier in the video hiding? If not, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Meow. Please subscribe to our videos. Meow. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you. Today Peppa and Granny Pig are cooking in the kitchen. What are they making today? We have our big silver bowl for the granola. First ingredient is oats. We are making a big batch, so Peppa added 12 cups of organic oats. Next we added the seeds. We have sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds. And now we get to chop the nuts. It's so much fun chopping nuts. We are chopping cashews, almonds, peanuts, and pecans. Keep your fingers away from the blade. Next we added some seasoning. A little bit of sea salt and a little bit of cinnamon. And now we add some organic avocado oil. And now to add a little bit of sweetener. Honey! I love honey. And honey is very good for you too. Now it's time to mix. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Let an adult do that because an oven is hot. The kids are painting with water. Mess-free, all you need is water and a paintbrush. And now our granola is out of the oven. Nice and roasted, and you can add some oat milk or some berries or chocolate chips. We added some coconut. What a great healthy breakfast. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Peppa and Granny Pig are having a camping night away. They have this lovely green tent with little trees all over. Let's see what Peppa and Granny have inside their tent. I'll open the door. Oh boy, there's all different types of wooden pieces. Let's have a look. What will we pull out first? What can you see when you go camping? Oh, other people. You might even see some wildlife, like a bear. And this is a brown bear. And if it was a grizzly bear, it'd have a huge hump right here. When you're camping in an area where there are bears, you need to be bear smart and pack all the food away somewhere safe, like a cooler in a car. Don't want to put food in a tent because the bear has such a good sense of smell. It could smell food through a tent. What else do we have in our camping tent? Oh, another wild animal you might see is a fox or a coyote. Reach my hand in. And of course, when you're camping, you'll probably see some trees. Maybe some trees with leaves, or maybe some trees with pine needles, or both. Trees with needles are called coniferous, and trees with leaves are called deciduous. There's also an animal. Oops, sorry, Peppa. You got knocked over. What is this, tiny fans? It has big antlers, and the name of it starts with the letter M. It's a moose, and we need to keep our distance from wildlife because they are unpredictable. We never know what they could do. And there are two more items in this tent. There is a little blue pad. What do you think this is? It's a little pond for Peppa to go canoeing with Granny Pig. And there's just enough room for both of them. Be sure if you're going for a canoe, a paddleboard, a kayak, any type of water sport, you wear a life jacket. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We're spending the day at the ocean with Peppa and her family, and the tide is starting to come in, so we have to be careful. The waves can be quite powerful. There are all sorts of shells covering the rocks. We have to be very careful not to step on them and crush them because there are living animals under each shell. Peppa has found something unusual in one of the tide pools. It looks like a type of sea plant. It's like little tiny beads or peas. I've never seen such beautiful sea plants. I just had to go look it up. It's called Neptune's necklace because it looks like a beaded necklace. How cool! When the tide comes up, all of these little pools will be covered with water. We haven't seen any sea anemones yet, but we're going to keep looking. The tide is rising and the waves are getting more powerful. It's time to back away so that we don't get caught on a rock. We can watch the waves from a distance crash along the rocks.